Alright, so this question is rotate image. So you want to rotate the image by 90 degree clockwise. So you don't need to allocate the memory to rotate. So if you don't know the trick, here's the trick. So let's not look in the rotated image. Let's look at the original one. So the idea is that you want to swap the rule from the starting and the ending. So this one will swap with this one, and then the middle one will swap with middle one, and then just keep doing this, right? So this will be pretty straightforward for the swap rule. And once you have a swap rule, it will become what? 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so if we notice that, look at it, this is a rotated image, right? So let's look at it. 7, 4, 1. This is 7, 4, 1, right? 8, 5, 2, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 3. So the only thing it has to be swap is diagonal value. Swap the diagonal value. This one with this one. This one with this one. So it's basically is traverse starting from 0. Traverse 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 with 1, 0, 0, 2 with 2, 0, and 0, 3. If there is a 0, 3, then you swap with 3, 0. And then you go on the next one, which is going to be 1. So you swap with this row with this column, swap with this row with this column, swap like this, and then you will get it. You will get a final rotated image. So let's look at the example 2. It's a little bit bigger, but doesn't matter. It's going to be the same. So I'm going to just swap my rule. So it's going to be 15, 14, 12, 16, and 13, 6, 3, 6. 3, 6, 7, 2, 4, 8, 10, 5, 1, 9, 11. Alright, now I need to swap the diagonal. So the diagonal is going to be this with this, right? So it's going to be 15 doesn't change, 14, 12, and this is 11, this is 13, 2, I was doing this one, 2, and 5, right? So it's 15, 30, 2, and 5, and then 15, 14, 12, and 16, right? This is 16. Alright, so how about this? This one we're going to swap with this one, right? 6, 7, 4, 1. 6, 7, 4, 1. And this will be swapped 9 and 10. Your A doesn't change, right? And then this will be the entire solution. So let's start writing. So what you need to do is what? Swap rule metric. Swap rule metric. Swap diagonal metric. Alright, then we just define the swap rule metric. So I can say for loop, right? For in I equals 0, and also j equal to what? Last value minus 1, I less than j, right? I less than j, and I plus plus j minus minus. And I will say temp rule equal to what? Metric I. Metric I equal to metric j. Metric j equal to temp rule. And then I will have what? Public void swap diagonal in metric. So it will become for I. For loop I equal to 0, starting with 0. I less than metric.length, and then I plus plus. And for in j will become starting with I. This is because you always starting at this index and this index. So it's going to be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. So it's going to be this 0, 0, 1, 1, and next one is going to be 2, 2, and 3, 3, right? So yeah, keep going. And j less than metric a less than metric 0.length, and then j plus plus. So what we need to do is create a temp. It's going to be metric ij, metric at ij equal to metric at ji, metric at ji equal to temp. If I have no typo, it should be okay. Yeah, I do have typo. Alright, submit. Alright, so the time and space, let's look at the swap. This is all of n. N represent the what? The row in the metric. How about this? This is all of n, and this is all of m. Right, so the worst case for time is going to be all of m times n. Space is going to be constant. So if you have any question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.